Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're doing regular house cleaning, but also I have some organization stuff from Temu that I showed in previous videos and I want to utilize them today. So I'll be organizing things throughout the kitchen mainly, and I hope this video brings you so much motivation. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of our community, and don't forget to say hello down in the comments so I can welcome you here. But without further ado, I do mobile home living, mobile home decorating, cleaning, all that stuff on this channel. And I also have a vlog channel called Kimi Vlogs where I do all things just living. So today we're getting the homemaking done. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, before we get started, I want to show y'all my outfit because it's so cute. Also, I did my makeup this morning for my vlog channel because today for me is St. Patrick's Day, and so I got some green in there. But anyways, this shirt, I'm pretty positive, is from Walmart. I could be wrong, but it's so cute. I got it last year. It's got like a purple acid wash vibe going on. And then these shorts are from Temu. And they were like $14, and I'm pretty sure they're size 20. They're true to size, so love that. And yeah, I have a purple sock on, and then I have a black and brown striped sock on. So we're just you know, I needed to find some socks, okay, and I was not about to dig. So as long as they fit the same as each other, I'm wearing them. Don't let that bother you. Let's go ahead and get the cleaning portion of this done. I need to just get the kitchen clean. That way I can focus on decluttering, organizing, which I really want to do today underneath the sink. Tip number one of how to organize your space without spending any money is to get rid of what you don't need, and we are going to be doing that in this video. Also, clean your house before removing big things. And number three is make spaces serve more than one purpose. I'll be sharing with y'all simple ways to organize your home throughout this series on my channel, so be sure to subscribe. But also, I would give credit where credit is due, so definitely check the description box down below to see the links that I leave there so that you know where I got this information from. In this series, we'll focus on ways to organize your home that cost little to no money so that y'all can save money and still have an organized space at the same time. Alright, so this area is straightened up now. I need to use this counter space to pull all this stuff out of here. But what I really want to focus on today is these three cabinets. So when I open these, you can just see everything is kind of just piled. And I do have bins. I may end up putting that dehydrator underneath those cabinets over there just to clear off some space, because that takes up so much space and I barely use it. So that's the plan for today. Go ahead and pull all this out so I can see everything and start to declutter. Tip number four is to identify dead space in your home. By the way, this information came from getorganizedwizard.com, and I'll have this link in the description box for y'all if y'all want to read the entire article. But this dehydrator was taking up a lot of space underneath my cabinets, so it's not that there was dead space there for me to just go ahead and access, but once moving that dehydrator somewhere else, it created a lot of dead space that now I can utilize to store other things. First thing I did was put that dehydrator back there, kind of reorganize this stuff and vacuumed in here. Now I'm going to vacuum in here and then start going through each one of these. I also wanted to do this because in the next video I plan to show y'all all the Dollar Tree cleaning and like supplies that I buy at Dollar Tree that help me save money, and they're just as good as what you could buy at a regular store. And I have quite a few already on hand, so I want to make sure that I don't purchase duplicates, you know, just for the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of take a mental note of that as well, and be sure that, you know, I'm only buying things I really need. Speaking of only buying things we really need, this is tip number 1 from unclutteredsimplicity.com, and they say know the difference between wants and needs. Y'all, I love candles, I love wax melts, and I do buy them, but I'm not going to go out and buy candles if I already have wax melts at home. I'm going to go ahead and use those wax melts until they're already gone, and then I will go back in and replace them with other ones. When we don't have a lot of storage space, it's kind of unnecessary to use up a lot of space on things that we don't necessarily need in the first place. I'm watching my friend Maria in the background, but one time we had a leak, so that's why that looks like that. I need to get a liner to put under here. I think that would be much nicer looking. So this one's a little easier said than done, but it's a good reminder to have. Stop comparing ourselves to others. AKA, you don't have to be a minimalist. And I love this because, you know, we can get rid of things, but we don't have to go to the extreme of where we almost have nothing. I think it's important to still be able to enjoy your material possessions without letting them kind of take over your life. So that comes with number 4 on the list, and that is quit assigning emotions to things and stop letting things guide your emotions. So we all know those items that are sentimental to us, and then we feel like somebody bought this for me, I should keep it just because they bought it for me, even if I'm only going to wear it on Christmas to make them happy. If it is not making us happy, does it really serve a purpose? If it does, then hold on to it. I think it's important to have some kind of nostalgia or like sentimental items on hand. It just helps you have like fond memories and stuff. But otherwise, if it's something that is just kind of taking up space in your closet, just get rid of it. Okay, so I'm just continuing to declutter and kind of rearrange things because I didn't go out and spend any money today, so I just was working with what I got. But also, another way to minimize the clutter in your space is to take, Aaron's in the background, my goodness, is to take whatever, like this big bottle of Dawn, there's not much left in it. I'm going to just consolidate it and put it in the smaller one so that I can go ahead and recycle that big bottle. So go through your stuff and see if you have anything like that laying around. Alright, so I think I'm going to donate this right here. It's a dehumidifier, but it just is constantly moist, so you have to plug it in 24/7 anyway. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that. And then this right here, I love this stuff, the pink stuff, but it is bathroom cleaner, so this needs to go in a bathroom. And then this is upholstery cleaner for your car. I'm gonna put this in one of the laundry bins above my washer and dryer, because that's where I keep most stuff like this. That's probably the next place we're going to declutter and just, you know, make sure that we're not hanging on to things we don't need. And then over there, there are 2 oven mitts. I'm gonna wash them and then donate them because I already have those floral ones up there. I don't need 4 springy summer oven mitts. It's just 2 of us here, and we barely, you know, cook in the oven. Let me show y'all how this is looking now. So I've kept pretty much everything in here. I did put up all the bags and put them back there, and then this is just all of our like home stuff right here. I got some sandpaper, stuff like that in there. And then this one, I've just got our air fryer liners, some mop pads, and then I had this vase down here for when I have flowers, but I already have a vase out right now, so I just put these there. But it would be awesome to have the little thing that hangs on the door, and then I can put these on that, because most likely when I'm closing it, they'll just be like this, so they're not going to take up any room. And vertical storage is way better than having it out like this. So that's what I'll do when I go to Dollar Tree. I'll see if they have one. I'm pretty sure they do. And then in here I just have trash bags, cleaning supplies, very few cleaning supplies too, mostly disinfectant, room spray, Fabulosa, and then I have this little thing that goes in your microwave to clean it with. I try to keep on top of the microwave so I don't have to use stuff like this, but I'm gonna hold on to it. Then I've got like bottle cleaners, tablets, stuff like that. So that is what's there. And I did find a few Dollar Tree items, so I'm gonna make me a list. I'm so excited to go there and just pick out some things that I really do like and give y'all the haul. Here are all the new items I was talking about. I got this to help wash like stuck on pans and stuff. Also, I think this would be great to clean your stovetop. Awesome for that. These are like knockoff Scrub Daddies. Y'all will see this video where I do like a huge haul of cleaning and organizing supplies. Y'all will see that video soon. But I got these off of Temu, and they're like little Scrub Daddies, so I'm excited to put those out. And then this right here is a scraper to clean with also. And then I got some of these sponges because I've seen Ashley from To Vacuum Do Us Part use these types of sponges, so I wanted to pick them up. I don't know where she got hers from, but these were off of Temu, so pick them. And then this is, y'all saw all those bags, so whenever we're cooking and we need to dispose of things, we can use a Walmart bag and then just hang this on the cabinet. So I'm going to put this underneath the sink for whenever we need to quickly grab it. So they're not as hard as the Scrub Daddies are, but they should work just fine. And I like how they have the little holes in them because it's easier to clean spoons with that right there. So there you go. Can't forget my little penguin scraper right here. So that would make washing dishes a lot easier. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it gave you a few organizing ideas and some motivation to get to decluttering. I love y'all so much, and I will see you back here in the next video. Bye. I'm so silly. Bye, y'all.